Hi everyone, let me show you another cute Halloween Build-A-Bear, the Werewolf Plush Buddies Smallfry from June 2016. This miniature plush brings a touch of spooky fun wrapped in an abundance of cuteness, making it a perfect companion for Halloween. Standing at an adorable 7 inches tall, this Smallfry werewolf captures all the classic features of the mythical creature, but with a charming twist. It has a soft brown fur and even little embroidered fangs. This small fry is not just a seasonal toy. It's a year-round reminder of the fun that Halloween brings.